Welcome back, y'all. We're out here in the up in the mountains, just hanging out. Family reunion. Got a 4-wheeler. Colby's over here. Tristan's Jeep. Tristan's driving. Hey, just having a good time. Gonna be a good weekend. Gonna have some fun. Dang. This is crazy. Drove the truck, got the Jeep through it. All the Jeeps, McCade's truck got plastered. And beautiful high mountain valley we found. Today's been kind of cold, kind of rainy. It's been like around 40 degrees all day. As you can see, middle of June or end of June, and we're out here in freaking sweatshirts and everything. But chopping down some wood, we ran low for the fire. Really haven't done much today, like I said. Just kind of chilling, hanging out with the cousins, just trying to stay warm. But I think we're heading back tomorrow morning, and we'll come back up next weekend. But been a good, fun little time. I don't know if I made enough footage to make something out of this, but we'll see. It's been fun. It's snowing. It's freaking snowing in June. This is crazy. Last night it's raining, and today we wake up to this. Me and Colby are in flip-flops and Divas because we weren't prepared for this. So I think we're gonna head back today. Come back up later this week if that's still possible. But not ready for snow in June. Wasn't planning on that one.